Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Miriam, and in this video I'm going to make an unboxing from your creative studio. This package was sent to me by Amanda. Thank you, Amanda. So let's take a look inside. So let me see. This is a thank you card from your creative studio, and let me see. Here is a lot of stuff. This is, I think, this is some notebooks, I think. Let me see. It says a time machine. These images are like a retro style. They're so beautiful, like Victorian era style, like very vintage. I love this one. I really love these vintage things, so I think I'm gonna like this very much. So let me see. Here is a little package. Let me see inside. There is these are stickers, I think, with this is like this is like croissants and bakery things like waffles and things like that. Maybe some cakes. This is some bread. This is like they are like die cuts or stickers, I think. It says, well, I don't know, I think they are die cuts. They are really, really beautiful. Let me see. What more do we have? Here it says good stamp. And yes, this is a stamp. This is like, I'm not very sure, I think it's something like a cake or a bakery thing. So let me see. Here it says masking tape. Very important, masking tape for our projects. So let me see. Yes, this is like orange tones with some a square pattern. Okay, here it begins, and this is the pattern of the washi tape. It looks really, it suits perfectly with the die cuts. The color suits very well. So what else do we have? More vintage retro things. I love vintage things. This is one of my favorite styles. And here are some cards. Let me see. Yes, more bakery things. Coca-Cola. This is very, very beautiful. And cakes. What else do we have? More retro images from this beautiful lady. And yes, and a couple making some cake. Or another retro woman. like ice creams. This is like stickers, I think. Yes, yes, they are stickers. And they have a very retro and vintage style. Okay, and these are bigger, these ones. This is some, I think some waffle and cookies. This one is my favorite, the Coca-Cola drink. This boy, milkshakes. Okay, so let me see what else we have. And here is another boot stamp. Okay, this is the image. I don't know exactly the name of this kind of like a recipient, but here you can see it. And what else we have? I think these are stickers or maybe wrap-ons. No, they are stickers. Yes, but with a transparent background. This is very cool for your for your projects. I love all the acetate or transparent backgrounds for the projects. This looks really good. I'm going to take out of this. So I think we have this is paper like for maybe decoupage or something like that, because it's very thin. Let me open it. Yes, it's very thin, like some vellum. This is perfect, for example, to make some collage. It looks really good, like vellum. And here, these are really beautiful. I love them. I think there are more stickers. Let me see. These are ribbons, I think it's called. Transfer sticker, okay. So, here is the description. These are gorgeous and very vintage and retro and very colorful. I love them. More bakery things. This woman with the cake. Okay, so what else? Here are more, I think these are die cuts. They are vintage style. This looks really beautiful. With words, some leaves, stamps. tickets, these circles, these are really beautiful. Okay, so more things. It's funny how the package, it looks small, but there are a lot of things inside. Here are more stamps. Okay, this package. This acetate package. Here we have like a cook and more bakery stuff with the spoon, the fork, I think it says, yes, and more bakery thing. Here. And the last things, I think this is a scrapbook paper or some kind of paper. So let me see. See here are just, it's like a thin paper. So in this package we have a lot of bakery thin paper, die cuts, stamps, what else? Washi tape and more paper, vellum cuts, more small vintage cards. I think this is my favorite, this notebook. It's got a lot of gorgeous images. What else? More stickers. These are stickers, also stickers, but in like in vellum paper. The wrap-ons, more vintage tickets. What else? And I think that's it. And in these stamps. So this is all the kit. I think it's amazing that it's so many things is in a single package. Thank you, Amanda, for sending me all this beautiful stuff. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'm sorry, my English is not very fluent, but I'm doing my best. So thank you very much, and I see you in the next time, in the next video. Bye.